The Embossed Diamond Stitch. For this you're going to want to cast on in multiples of 10 plus 3 stitches. Row 1, which is the right side of the pattern. First stitch is purl 1, then knit 1, purl 1, then knit 3, and purl 1, which is the start of the repeat. So we want to do that twice, so knit 3 and purl 1 again, then knit 1, and purl 1 and start the pattern again. So knit 3, purl 1, knit 3, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. On to row 2. Purl 1, knit 1, then start the repeat of purl 3, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, and repeat that until the last stitch. And then purl the last stitch. On to row 3, which is knit 4, and start the repeat for the row, which is purl 1, knit 1 twice, and purl 1, and knit 5. And repeat to the last 9 stitches, and then purl 1, knit 1 twice, then purl 1 and knit 4. Now we're on to row 4, which is purl 3, start the repeat of knit 1, purl 1 3 times, then knit 1, purl 3, and repeat that until the end. Now row 5 is the same as row 3, so knit 4, then start the repeat, which is purl 1, knit 1 twice, then purl 1, knit 5, and repeat that till the last 9 stitches. Then purl 1, knit 1 twice, then purl 1, knit 4, then onto row 6, which is the same as row 2. So purl 1, knit 1, start the repeat of purl 3, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 3, knit 1, and repeat that till the last stitch. And the last stitch is a purl 1. And onto row 7, which is the same as row 1. So purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, then start the repeat, which is knit 3, purl 1 twice, then knit 1, purl 1, and repeat till end. Now on to row 8, which starts again with a purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Now we start the repeating pattern, which is knit 1, purl 5, and 5. Then knit 1, purl 1 twice, and you repeat that pattern till the end, so starting with a knit 1 and purl 6, 5 even, then knit 1, purl 1 twice. Row 9. Once again, starting with a purl. So purl 1, knit 1 twice. Onto the repeat, which is a purl 1, knit 3, then purl 1, knit 1 3 times, 2 and 3, and now we repeat that till the last 9 stitches, which is what we have. So we now go purl 1 and knit 3, and then purl 1, knit 1 twice, and purl 1 to finish. And row 10, which is the same as row 8. So purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, then start the repeating pattern of knit 1, purl 5, then knit 1, purl 1 twice, and repeat that pattern till the end. And that's the 10 rows of the pattern. Now just need to keep repeating that until you have your desired size of project. Let me know what project you'll be using this stitch for, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.